Okay, today is the 20th of March 2022. We have, was it Minkkikuja?
Minkkikuja.
Minkkikuja, Minkkikuja, turiststäckes here in Korso, Vantaa, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, modernized Finland. And we only have to get to the staircase B here, which is left here in this building. And we should have only 13 elevators left to be filmed in Korso as soon as possible. And this is amazing with 5 floors built in late 1989. It must have been December 1989. It was finished in 1990.
Yeah.
Turned 30 years old in 2019. Serial number SH65963. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. And these are the second best Kone elevators in Korso. The best ones are the 1985 ones.
Yeah.
Which we have filmed 1 of 3, but we'll get the 2 others later there also.
Yeah.
The one with the yellow ground floor button. Yellow light on it. The smell is amazing here, I love it.
Yeah.
I think this maybe has the best smell in this building. It depends on the sticky speed, but yeah.
Inspected by Kivais and maintained by Schindler.
Back to the ground floor. That's it, thank you very much for watching. Please watch the staircase C, and I hope we'll get to the staircase B as soon as possible. I'll just check the alarm on that.